Hello everybody and welcome back to another Minecraft video. I am just another PC gamer and today we are playing the Hunger Games, a Minecraft minigame. If you don't know what it is, the point of it is basically running around, finding chests, get loot, kill other players to get more loot, and yeah, and he just punched me out the way, idiot. Good start. Not at all, actually. I played this around like 400 matches, I think, and I'm kind of good, but I'm not the best. I've seen better. In my time of playing these around 400 games, I won 40 of them. Um, I think, right? No, wait, 38, I think. Something like that. Won 38 of the games. I can actually just check. No, I played 347 games and I won 40 of them. I'm gonna link the server in the description and I'm also gonna link the music in the description, and he's just standing and looking. That's good points for me. Oh, he gave a lot of points. Points are just used to show how good you actually are. If I have a lot of points, that means I've killed a lot of people and haven't died that a lot. So every time you kill a person you get points, but also every time you die you lose. So that's how the skill system works. Let's see if we can get something up here. Maybe there's something. Okay, that's annoying. And of course this not higher up. Okay. I think there's a chest here somewhere. Isn't it here? No, it's not here. I only played this map like one time, I think. So I don't really know where anything is. And the most YouTubers you see, they normally just only upload the games they win, which then makes them look extremely good. But I'm just gonna upload every single match I play. Well, if I want to record, of course. Then if it goes bad, I'm just gonna upload it anyway. And where is everybody? And all the chests? Maybe out here. Gonna go out here. Check if there's something good. And the most of the maps, I know really good chests in all of them. But this one, as I said, I only played it a few times, so I don't really know where anything is. And the reason why I only played it a few times is because I don't really like this map. So I normally just leave if this map comes. Okay. And a crafting table. Bow. No. Anything else? More parkour. Anything here? Oh, ooh, good chest. For that, on with that. Diamond, I can make an iron sword now. I'm gonna, no wait, can I? No, I don't have any sticks, damn it. Oh, I think you can't get up if you go down there. So I'm gonna go up here. I'm pretty sure there's a chest on top here. Right there. Another iron ingot. But oh, these don't have any boots. So leather boots is better than no boots. Okay, then I go down here and check if there's. Okay, that didn't go so well. Still no sticks. That sucks. I'm getting really unlucky. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna win this match. Yeah, they probably have. Yeah, look at that guy. Almost full iron. And I have. Oh, did he see me? He saw me. If I go under here, he can probably. Oh, her. I think it was her. She can probably not see me. Yeah. I can make a flint and steel, and then use this one too. This one if I get in a tight spot. Okay. Five players left, and I'm one of them, so that's pretty good. This is probably my death, I think. Okay. Wait, are those two a team? Oh fuck, I didn't see that. Okay. I died, of course. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut the video until the next match. So see you in a bit. Welcome back everybody, and this is one of my favorite maps actually. Because I know pretty good chest route in this map. I normally go there, up here, and then all the way down there. There's a secret room down there that not a lot of people know, and that's a good starting point. Oh, that's a lot of items. Okay, but I got no sword, unfortunately. Wow, someone already died. Oh, does he know where it is? No, he doesn't. Okay, you need to go under here, press that lever, go up here and press that lever, and then you can go down here. Then there's a chest here with pretty decent loot, but no pants, of course. So now I have no pants. That's not a good thing. Oh, they're close. That's not nice. Okay. Okay. Up here. Don't want to get seen by those. Then I normally go over here. Take this chest if it's not already looted. It's not. Then I go up here. And up there's a really good chest. Almost always iron armor and stuff. But you need to do a little parkour. So... Oh, my mouse just ran out of battery. Fuck. Uh-oh, that's not good. Uh-oh. I'm gonna die here, I think. Okay. I don't know how long this battery is gonna hold. Because... probably not more than this round. So I'm switching it after. Oh, I have an iron chest plate. Wow, he really tried that. Okay. Okay. I know another secret area too. Chest here. Nothing special. Over here. And then there's a little... Oh, I can also take this. Nothing. There's a little way up here. No, I failed. Damn it. Gonna try it one more time, and if I fail again, I'm just moving forward. Yes, nothing. Okay. Let's... No, why it's... Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna kill that guy. Or not. Okay, so I'm trying again. I'm up. And that was a waste of time. Damn it. Fuck. Oh. He has good loot. Wow, this is a massacre. I have freaking 2 diamonds. I'm just going now. Okay, they're not following me. I'm going to the inner thing and then making a diamond sword. Hopefully not gonna die. Okay. Nothing behind me. No one around me. Okay, stick, diamonds, diamond sword. And out of here. I saw a name, I think, down there. No? Okay. Apparently not. Let's find someone to kill. That guy is gonna be a good kill. And he's dead. Oh, if I come behind this guy. Oh, he's dead. Okay, what just happened? No, we both died. Fuck. Wow. Damn it. How did I die? I had a diamond sword and better armor. Yeah. I'm gonna see you in the next game. Welcome back for the third and final round for today. Hopefully I can actually win one and not die. And start. Oh, I got the diamond. Okay. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Probably not for long. I don't think so. Okay, I'm not dead yet. Just, oh, please have a weapon. It didn't. Just, give me some chests. Please. Okay, there. There's a chest. Right here. Still no weapons. That's not good. Oh, and ow. Fuck. I didn't even see him. I can kill him. Ah, damn it. I can't. Okay, come on, give me a weapon. Just right here. Still no weapon, but more arrows from my bow. Oh, iron pants, good, but still not a weapon. And I'm not surviving any longer if I don't get a weapon. Okay, I can kill this guy. Yeah! Now I can get a weapon. Okay, weapon, and I can go make an iron sword, which is even better. Oh, I'm staying down in the water. Because that's a pretty big fight and I don't want to be a part of that. Oh, yeah. Go make it. Why can't I go up here? Okay, I'm going to go make an iron sword. and hopefully not die trying to. Wait, I don't even think there's any crafting tables where we spawn. Is there? No, there's not. I'm pretty sure there's not. I need to find another one. Without dying, if that's possible. He has leather armor, maybe he has a stone sword so I can get at least a better weapon. Yeah, yes. He has a stone sword. Then I can go get him. You did! Wow, he didn't even hit me. That's kinda noobish. Out, 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 out. Okay. So where do I find a freaking crafting table? I have no idea where there is any. Oh, I can even make iron boots if I want to. Probably not, just not. Oh! Or I can get them in a chest. That's also an option. Okay. Yeah, teamers. Fuck, why is there so many teamers? I hate teamers, that's so unfair. Well, yeah, that's the episode, I guess. I need to get someone to play with me, else I'm not gonna get any wins. At some point I actually I was actually against a team of 7. So yeah, I just left the match because I didn't really have a chance against 7 people at once. But that's the episode for today. I hope you enjoyed and I will see you next time. Bye.